Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the default app location installation directory for Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is kind of annoying that you can't change it anymore for Windows 10 for some applications, for things like Xbox Game Pass. Thankfully it's very easy to solve. I'm going to show you how to do it. So click on the search icon, type in settings, this will come up, left click on it. On the left hand side, click on system. Scroll down until you see storage. From here, click on advanced storage settings. And from here, click on where new content is saved. And the new apps will save to, and click on whatever partition that you want. I only have the C partition, so I can only select the C partition, but select whatever you want. And now when you install any application, it will automatically install to this partition. And that is it. If this was helpful, leave the video a like. If this wasn't helpful, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you.